AI isn't going to take your job. They've got you doing an AI's job. Most people have spent their working lives performing tasks that are better suited to AI. AI could not take my job in the same way that a 100-meter Olympic sprinter hasn't taken my job because I'm nowhere near capable of competing. For years, we've been doing tasks that are ideal for AI. Repetitive tasks, data processing, and routine decision-making. The Industrial Revolution turned people into specialized workers. Job descriptions themselves are essentially a list of repetitive tasks. That's how machines work. We've been the cogs in the machine, filling gaps that technology has not been able to bridge yet. Now, however, AI can take on those roles and perform them more effectively and efficiently than we can. This shift could be a significant threat, but it could also be an opportunity. After all, why have we been advancing our technological capabilities if not to reach a future where machines can handle the tasks that we don't want to do, allowing us to focus on the things that we truly want to do? You'd probably prefer to spend your time doing something more meaningful, not menial. AIs perform mechanical tasks better than humans, but humans excel in personal interactions better than machines. AI can handle the mundane, freeing you to focus on what makes you uniquely human. Creativity, empathy, innovation, and authentic connections, the areas where we truly excel. Imagine a world where we are economically liberated enough that we actually in a position to raise children without the pressures many two-parent households face, or care for our elderly. Perhaps you're someone who can't work a traditional job. In a world underpinned by AI, that's not a problem. Imagine dedicating your time to meaningful pursuits like addressing climate change, improving human life and well-being, or whatever you're passionate about. Or even if you just want to game all day or practice your favorite sport. It doesn't matter because the economy no longer relies on human labor in the same way. In fact, your humanistic endeavors are more valuable in a digital economy. I'm sharing this perspective not to scare you, but to avoid recycling the same tired AI trope. AI will displace many people in the workforce. You often hear that it won't, but that's not what the research says. Goldman Sachs estimate that 300 million jobs will be displaced by AI by 2030. That is a significant number of the workforce. And yes, in the foreseeable future, I still believe your job won't be taken by AI, but will be taken by someone who knows how to leverage AI. But that will shift. AI doesn't have to be the bogeyman. Imagine AI handling all those mind-numbing tasks you dread. What would you do with all that extra time and mental energy? Learn a new skill? Fight social pursuits? Finally write that novel? The possibilities are endless, and that's what excites me about this AI revolution. It's not about working less. It's about working what truly matters to you and building an economy that rewards that. If social media can monetize your attention, our economy can value and reward our humanity. You can call me naive if you'd like, but it's essential that we make this shift. It's not fanciful, it's practical. We have an aging population, and the labor you provide underpins not just your well-being, but also the social security of a large economically inactive population. A society underpinned by ethical AI with socially acceptable outcomes and economic models that value humanity can provide security regardless of someone's economic participation. The current economic model is unsustainable and has overseen the largest transfer of wealth from the younger generation to the older. People under the age of 40 are 24% less wealthy than they were 40 years ago. People over the age of 75 are 72% wealthier. We must evolve economic and social participation in line with our technological capabilities, because that's how we make sure that the future of work works for us.